In this video we'll show you how to do a diagnostic check on a Mutt 125. It also fits other makes and models. It's very easy to do, only takes a minute, and the parts are quite cheap. The diagnostic reader's cheap and the lead's cheap as well. So the only tools you need for the job are a diagnostic reader and a diagnostic lead. Both available on the website. If you want to buy one, follow the link in the description. But in the meantime, let's show you how to do it. Start by removing the side panel. Next, access the diagnostic plug just behind the airbox. Push down on the plastic clip and pull the cover off. Now push the lead onto the connector until it clicks in place. Then plug the reader into the lead. Now the reader should power up, but it won't register the bike until you turn on the ignition. Once you turn on the ignition and the fuel pump is primed, press enter on the reader. Once you've pressed enter, the reader will connect with the bike. In some cases the bike needs to be running at this point. As you can see, there's no fault codes on this bike, but if there was, it'll display them when you click on read codes. Once you've written down the codes it presents, you want to select erase codes. The reason for doing this is just in case some of the old codes shown are ones that have already been fixed. This should then remove the engine management light. Next, turn the ignition off, then back on again, then start the bike. If there's still an issue, the engine management light should come back on. Select read codes and it will show you any current issues the bike has. If a fault presents itself, take a note of the fault code, then turn the ignition off. Unplug the reader and replace the faulty part. Once you've done this, repeat the process and erase the fault codes. The engine management light should now stay off and your bike is running back as it should do. Push down the plastic clip again to remove the lead. Then push the cover back on until it clicks in place. Then tuck the plug back behind the airbox. And finally, refit the side panel. So as you can see, it's really easy to use and it only takes a minute. You can read fault codes, erase fault codes, and it saves you a lot of time, money and hassle taking it to dealers. And even if you've not got an engine management light on, it's a great addition to Toolbox. So if you're after one, follow the link in the description and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.